Good afternoon, AMP platform team dwellers. Mark and I were sitting here talking about our next easy action step. It's number 11, and it's open houses and making money. Mark, have you done open houses?
I thought it was closed house.
No, it's closed houses when you take care of your clients, and of course you get your commission and
So why do we have an open house? It's not my house.
it's not his house, but it is open. So you're going to hold open houses.
Open for who?
Open for yourself and your client and for the other agent, but open, a lot of open houses. Guys, if you do 12 open houses a year, you'll meet 36 new people, and 4 of them will become a
Is that like
transaction.
one a month?
It is one a month. It's one a month.
Okay.
12 times 4. I'm sorry, one a week, one a month. You'll meet 36 people. So it's 12. 36 people will result in 4 transactions.
So if we do one every 4 weeks, we can do 13.
You could do 13 if you wanted to every 4 weeks, because there's more than just 4 weekends. Excuse me. There's a lot more weekends in the month and Sundays in the year than there are months in the year. So that's 13 instead of 12. That's the math he's just doing for me, and I'm trying to do it really quick. Let's wind this up. These are great questions. Thank you. Guys, an open house is really a guy. No, you didn't. An open house is really easy to do. Build your kit: radio, smell goods, registration forms, water, and snacks. You can reuse a bunch of it. Directional signs, you can order them from Red One Realty. You'll smell that good like him. Order from Red One Realty or go to the hardware store. It doesn't matter wherever you go. You get on KV Core, you pick the house, you go to the Flex system, you make sure it's available, you email the agent, they say yes, you give yourself enough time to build your kit, and then you start holding open houses. It's not difficult. Mark and I will go with you on your first one if you've never done one before, or if you've done one before and you'd just like us to go along because you like us, you can do that too. Open houses and making money. Do at least 12 a year, at least 12. Some of you are trying to do 48. That's a great idea. Is that a good idea?
That's a great idea. Wish I'd have thought of it.
AMP action step number 11, open houses and making money. Have a great day. Say bye, Mark.
Bye, Mark.
He said bye, Mark.
That's what